Welcome back, viewers. What if I told you there's a weapon so powerful, so intimidating, that entire military strategies are rewritten the moment it enters a region? A machine so vast it's practically a floating city, yet so advanced it can launch stealth fighters into the sky in less than 30 seconds? This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie. This is real. This is the world's most dangerous fighter aircraft carrier. And today, we're going deep into its secrets, its firepower, and why it could change the future of warfare forever. If you think you know military power, think again. Let's start with a simple question. What makes an aircraft carrier dangerous? It's not just about size. It's about how much control over air, sea, and even land that ship can project. And when we talk about the most dangerous one on Earth today, one name rises above the rest. The USS Gerald R. Ford, CVN-78. This isn't just the most expensive warship ever built. It's the most lethal, automated, and technologically advanced aircraft carrier the world has ever seen. A floating fortress of the future. The Gerald R. Ford is the first in a new generation of U.S. supercarriers. Here's what makes it terrifying. Over 1,100 feet long, displacing over 100,000 tons, carrying up to 90 aircraft, housing a crew of over 4,500 personnel. And yet, it's more efficient and faster than its predecessors. How? Through revolutionary technology, electromagnetic launch system, emails. This right here is a game changer. Instead of the traditional steam-powered catapults, the Gerald R. Ford uses emails, an electromagnetic launch system that accelerates aircraft with more control and less stress on the jet. Why is this important? Because it means faster launch times, less wear and tear on aircraft, better support for advanced jets like the F-35 Sea Lightning II. And when you're launching jets in a combat zone, every second counts. Automation and artificial intelligence. Here's something most people don't know. The USS Gerald R. Ford requires hundreds fewer crew members than previous carriers. How? Advanced automation. Weapons elevators use magnetic systems. Maintenance is tracked digitally. Flight deck operations are streamlined with cutting-edge sensors and software. That's not just efficient. That's next-level warfare logistics. It means faster reloads, quicker repairs, and more jets in the air at any given moment. Defense capabilities. Now you're probably thinking, what protects a ship this valuable? Well, this beast comes wrapped in layers of defense. RIM-162, evolved Sea Sparrow missiles for air threats, rolling airframe missiles. RAM, for fast-reacting defense phalanx CIWS. A rapid-firing, close-in weapon system that literally shoots down incoming missiles with a wall of bullets. Plus, it sails with a carrier strike group. A deadly team of destroyers, cruisers, submarines, and support ships. If you want to reach the carrier, you've got to get past all of that first. Strategic impact. Why it matters. Here's the real power of the Gerald R. Ford. It changes the game without firing a shot. It's a symbol of deterrence, a tool of diplomacy, and a 100,000-ton message to any nation that might think twice before testing U.S. power. Where it sails, influence follows. Whether it's the South China Sea, the Persian Gulf, or the Arctic, the presence of this ship reshapes geopolitics in real time. Power projection on a global scale. Here's what makes the Ford truly dangerous. It doesn't need permission. It doesn't need a runway. It doesn't need allies to operate. It's a sovereign nation's war machine, able to strike from the sea without ever entering hostile territory. Wherever it sails, it sends a loud message. We control this space now. It's more than a weapon. It's a symbol of dominance, diplomacy, and deterrence. The mere presence of the Ford in a region can alter negotiations, influence politics, and calm or escalate entire conflicts. The real danger. So what makes this aircraft carrier the most dangerous? It's not just the jets, not just the missiles, not just the cutting-edge systems. It's the total package, unmatched air power, global mobility, advanced technology, and the ability to strike anywhere, anytime, without warning. It's a weapon built not just for today's threats, but for battles that haven't even been imagined yet. So the next time someone tells you naval warfare is outdated, remind them of this. If you found this video as jaw-dropping as I did, make sure to give it a like, hit subscribe for more high-impact military tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.